riding to school and you're fighting Texas Aggies Easton are 5-0, ranked 5 in both polls. I know that makes you feel good because you care a lot about the polls. Right?
Yeah, I mean, they're not always right. Like Texas being 1, Penn State being 2,
Yep.
both unranked. They're almost never right.
No.
The actual ones.
Yeah, 1 and 2 and 4, Clemson, are all 3 unranked right now.
Yeah, and then there's other teams like A&M was 19. I
Yeah.
think.
Tell you what,
Now
I'm
we're
not
5.
heartbroken about it. Are you? You
No.
heartbroken about Texas being unranked?
No.
You won't find the Box crying, I'll tell you that
Nope.
much.
Am I mad about Clemson being unranked? No.
No.
I mean,
That boat can keep talking his mess. Or James Franklin.
yeah.
None of those brands are that likable right now, Franklin.
Mm-hmm.
You know? Meanwhile, if Ty Simpson's last name was Manning, you'd already give him the Heisman.
Oh, yeah.
You know?
I mean, you could
Bingo.
have,
Yellow car.
you could have like I bet a quarterback for a small school, if his last name was Manning, he would be playing for Texas.
Yeah, I bet Arch Manning's playing at a small school next year.
Oh, yeah.
Now, what'll happen is Lane Kiffin will get him at Ole Miss just to get that Manning thing going. And by the way, Lane Kiffin will turn him into a player, I bet.
I mean, as long as he's not Texas, I'm fine.
Let's go back to A&M, Mississippi State, because what an absolute dominant defensive performance. 8 of the 12 drives were less than 10 yards, Easton. Plus all the sacks, plus the 2 takeaways. Cassius Al was a monster. Those linebackers, both were fantastic. What do you think about that game?
I mean, our defense just showed that we can play defense competitively and for 2 straight games. It wasn't just a 1-game stint against Auburn.
That's right.
Where we just had a great game on defense. And really, technically they gave up a touchdown against Auburn, but really you
was 2
would
yards,
count
right?
it. Yeah, you would count it on the offense.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, that was was that an interception? That was Marcel's interception
that
off the
Terry Bussey screen pass.
Yeah. I mean, they returned it all the way down to the 2. And so that was a 2-yard drive.
I mean, there's no way you're stopping that.
The Mississippi State one, give that, he's the fastest kid in the SEC, maybe Brendan Thompson, track kid, who had committed to Texas A&M, and then played at Texas, and then transferred to OU, and then transferred to Mississippi State. But the dude can absolutely fly from the middle of nowhere, panhandle of Texas, a place called Spearman. But anyway, Brendan's really fast. You showed that because he just blew by Ricks. But we shut him down. Like, he only had 2 catches in the entire game. He's like their version, this year's version of Craver. Remember, they had Craver last year.
Mm-hmm. So. That just shows that Des Ricks can lock a guy up.
Yep. I thought the blanket played good again.
Yeah, I mean, that's nice to see him play good for 2 straight games.
I agree.
I feel like, so far, if the blanket plays good on defense, our whole defense plays good.
Yeah.
Because the 2 games, our defense has been really good.
Yep.
The blanket has played really good.
That's right.
I feel like he's still the leader of this team, even though he's had a down year. Yeah, defensively, he's the leader.
Well, don't forget 21. Unbelievable leader, York.
I mean, isn't Des Ricks a sophomore?
Yeah.
Non-redshirt?
Redshirt.
Oh,
he redshirted at Bama.
Oh.
Yeah, 5-star. I mean, he's playing like it now. Des Ricks playing good. The Blank's playing good. Their defensive guys. I thought 8 played more than I've ever seen him play because he's healthy now, which is Jordan Shaw from UW. Ratcliffe's playing like a daggum all-SEC player.
Our whole defense is playing like all SEC players.
But we've got to talk about number 9. He's a menace. Cassius Howell with 3 sacks. He's the first Aggie to have 3 sacks in multiple games in one season since
Miles Garrett.
Von Miller.
Oh, dang it.
2009. So, I mean, you're talking about 19 to 16 years.
Yeah.
We're talking about 16 years the last time A&M's had a guy with 3 sacks in 2 straight games.
9 years since the last time we went 5-0.
Exactly. Yeah, 5-0's first time since Trevor Knight was under center, 2016. And but Cassius Howell, he has already surpassed the sack total combined from first round and second round picks, Shamar Stewart and Nick Scorn. Combined.
Are we sure that an A&M player won't go number 1 in one of these next 2 drafts? Are we sure?
Very good question, Easton. Who would it be?
I mean, Jeremiah Smith has not been playing as well as he did last year.
I mean, A&M doesn't have a projected first-round pick this year, but I think Cassius Howe can play his way up to it.
Oh, how would he not?
Wait,
if Shamar Stewart went first round.
Well, it's because he's built like a freak. You know, that's part of it.
Yeah.
But Cassius Howe's a more productive player. He was more productive than those guys last year. And he played as a backup.
Yeah.
He's so good, man. He's so good.
We need Le'Veon Moss to not get injured because he got hurt.
He keeps getting banged up, man. That's scary.
But, I mean, if he is fully healthy, I feel like he could be one of, if not the best running back in college.
Yeah.
But we have Ruben Owens as number 2. And Ruben Owens having like 143 yards in one game against Mississippi State.
He's got that burst, and he's learning to read his blocks
Uh-huh.
and let them work for him.
What is he? Is he a sophomore?
Yeah, third-year sophomore because he was hurt last year. I'll tell you what, he's lightning, and it's a great 1-2 punch, and it just opens up so much. Because the other thing that's helping is they're running Craver and KC some on the edges in motion. They're getting them out in motion. You don't know if they're going to hand it to him. Plus, the quarterback can keep it.
And don't leave number 23 out. He played.
No,
good.
Morrow. Yeah, he played 10. He had 10 snaps.
He had that one long run.
Yeah.
He's going to be, after Ruben Owens, he's going to be our starter, I feel like, unless we get some crazy transfer.
Well, Le'Veon's leaving this year, so I could see that being the 1-2 punch next year.
Yeah.
Because you lose Le'Veon, Emmitt Smith Jr., and
Amari Daniels.
Amari. So it's got to be Morrow along with Owens. I think if we can clean up the penalties, if our QB can just get a little more consistent, particularly out of the gate in some of these games early, and then if our kicking game can get figured out, we got a chance to go. I mean, I don't want to say it, but we got a chance to be.
Don't say it. I know what you're thinking. Just don't say it.
Son of a gun. It's about daggum time. This is the year. The schedule sets up. It's time that we get to Atlanta in the SEC Championship. Missouri's been there twice. We went to the league the same year.
Texas went there their first year.
I know. Bunch of bullcrap. I'll tell you what. It's our time.
Yeah.
Why is it? It's never going to be set up any better than this.
I know.
We just have to go through it.
We thought we would have a really hard schedule. Turns out Texas is not as good as we thought. LSU's not as good as we thought.
Correct.
Missouri's better than we thought.
That's
That's
true.
probably going to be our hardest game.
Yeah.
South Carolina's nowhere near as good as we thought. Florida's not as good as we thought.
Well, but then we get Florida this week, and they're off a high. So what's that going to look like? Interesting you said that, Easton.
A high off Texas. I mean, a home game against Texas where that wide receiver number 6.
Oh, that was a secret weapon.
Yeah, they never knew. Or Florida knew, and I think they were saving it for a game that actually mattered.
Or maybe he just wasn't quite ready, or maybe he was banged up. You just never know,
Yeah, but I think they wanted to beat Texas and bust out. Like, if he was hurt and still hurt playing against Texas, I think they wanted him to play against Texas to see what he would do and beat Texas.
Wilson. Dallas Wilson. Remember that name. That guy looks like Megatron.
Gosh.
I mean, he's legit.
But we have Scout, and we just put Desricks on him.
Don't think for 1 second Elko's not scouting the ever-living heck out of that cat.
Yeah.
So, doesn't mean he's not going to go get some. And Lagway's going to put it in the air, up for grabs.
Unless he throws 5 interceptions.
That's what I'm saying. He's going to put it up for grabs and let his guys go make plays 6 to 10 times. Will they make plays? Will it fall on the turf, or will you pick it? He's going to give you 10 shots at a pick. Can you get 2 or 3 of them?
I'm very confident that the Blanket and Desricks will each get 1 pick.
Oh, I like that.
If he's going to throw it up,
prediction.
If he's going to throw up that many deep balls and just lob it up there to them, see if they can get it. Desricks, now that we have scouting on Dallas Wilson, I don't know if he will get 2 big catches. He might get 1, but I don't think he'll get 2.
Well, what we did with Cam Coleman.
I
Can't
know.
tell me Dallas Wilson in 1 game is better than Cam Coleman in 2 years.
I mean, I don't think if he I mean, I don't know if he just gets one. He might
Yeah.
not even get one against Desiree. Because right now, Desiree looks like the best corner in the country.
He looks pretty great. All right, so we have to go because you're at school. But
Yeah.
Damian Sanford, what a player.
Yeah.
What an absolute player. I'm loving that guy.
Yeah.
And Scooby Williams, remember, played at Florida, so guarantee he's going to be motivated because A, he doesn't want to lose his job,
Yeah.
and B, it's Florida week.
Yeah.
That's going to be fascinating to watch. All right, buddy. Remember who you are. Have a good day.